tuning in from Thailand. I say welcome to you and thanks for tuning in. I am in your country making cooking videos. If you are tuning in from abroad, you are welcome as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk through what I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to focus on what I'm doing and do it. One of the challenges I face in cooking videos is focusing on the food while talking. You know, it's I'm going to like over importantize what I do here and explain to you. When Tiger Woods is eyeing up a putt, like he's working, he's about to eye, but he's not talking you through what he's doing. He's focusing on what he's doing. I'll give another gross example. Jimmy Page, when Jimmy Page is ripping into a solo 50 plus years ago, nobody was walking up to him and being like, "Oh, Jimmy, what are you doing here?" I am not putting myself in the category of those two heroes. However, making bread is a heroic act. So this will start the video. And I'll tell you how this bread came about, or how it's going to come about. I don't even know if it's going to work, to be 100% honest with you. See, what happened was yesterday, the lady who I'm currently in love with, madly in love with, in a relationship with, yesterday she made Massaman curry. And, you know, you could hear that? You could serve Massaman with rice, absolutely. But I like it served with some sort of bread. So I just whipped up a flatbread. I just literally threw it together. But one of the things I knew I didn't want to do with the flatbread, I didn't want to put any fat in it, because the massaman it's a very rich, fatty dish. It's got like, you know, natural chicken fat in it. There's fat in it is what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm saying. So I wanted to make a bread with no fat. So I kept out the yogurt, I kept out the butter, I kept out any kind of oil, water, salt, yeast, and flour, and just mixed it together until it was a texture that I was happy with. And then I let it sit overnight. And then we made the massaman that next morning. And then now it has sat another night outside and one night in a refrigerator. Oh man, it smells awesome. So what I'm gonna do is, one of the things that was left over from the massaman, look at that. We skimmed that off the top of the massaman. So I'm going to incorporate this fat into this dough, and then I'm going to grill it. And that's going to be massaman bread. And then now this is the part of the video where I'm just going to focus on cooking and trying to get this bread worked together on the grill and in my mouth before the rain comes. All right, it didn't mix in all that well, but I think we get the idea. Dough is still very wet and sticky, but I prefer that, and I kind of want that. But I'll clean my hands real quick. Told you. Grill is, yeah, that's very hot. That's ready to go. Just so my dough doesn't stick everywhere. Get this chumpy going here. We'll start with this one. This gets over here. Yeah, I told you, dough is very sticky and kind of messy. Yeah, I probably should have worked this a little bit more. But it's rustic. All right, well, it's not pretty. You got to give me that. But we're going to do something fun here. Like this, pour a little bit on here, and then we'll smear it around. All right, well, it's not really smooth as I hoped, but I'll tell you one thing I know. The flavor's going to be there. Trying to get that fucking, don't lose it. I fucking lost it. All right, so good. Okay. No, it's good. I mean, it's just good. Yeah, it's got good spice. Yeah, it's just, God, it's so wet. All right, I gotta find a way to salvage this, get my mind back in the game. This, like sometimes you make stuff, it doesn't work. But then when you're making it on camera and it's not working, it could be a slightly embarrassing moment, but I'll go like that in there. I'm gonna go like this here, and then we'll go like this here. I mean, we're gonna switch gears, we're gonna pivot. All right, I'm sweating my brains out, so I gotta go like this. All right, so I'm gonna put this dough back in here. I'm gonna work the dough. All right, I'm scrambling. Oh, this looks so freaking good. I'll tell you what, and people actually, they call me a chef. Oh man, I have no idea how I am going to edit this together. Just wish me luck. It's delicious. It is delicious. So you got to give me that. That's it. That's all I have left for flour. So all right, this is more like it. I should have started like this from the get-go. I'll do 4 of them, so that way I can at least show you I have some sort of clue what I'm doing, contrary to the proof of this video. Where's my bowl? Oh, my bowl's over there. Okay. Like this. All right, I actually think that I'm going to pull this off now. It's hot out, but hey, it didn't rain. Look at this, I've got flour everywhere. All right, let's try to get out of this in one piece. Massaman grease skimmed from the top. Fat, essentially. Chicken schmaltz. Massaman schmaltz, if you will. Dough, they got incorporated with the Massaman schmaltz. Hot hibachi, finished product. No. I mean, the reason why you need to think like this as a chef, as a cook, whatever, this right here is what we call free flavor. Free flavor. This didn't have to happen. But it did. And I'm grateful.